to 5-minute supply chain. Today, I'm going to talk about a concept that is really important in supply chain management. Industry 4.0. I'd like to begin with a story about a toy company named ToyTech. Back in the first industrial revolution, every toy was handmade, slow, expensive, and exhausting. Then steam engines arrived. Suddenly, machines could help and production speed up. Next, the second revolution brought electricity and assembly lines. Workers focused on one task, toys rolled off the line in hundreds, and consistency improved. Then came the third revolution, computers and robots. Repetitive tasks were automated and factories became flexible, switching from toy cars to dolls in no time. And now, Industry 4.0. ToyTech, a smart connected factory, sensors track machines, AI predicts which toys will be popular, and digital twins simulate production before it even happens. The factory practically runs itself, faster, smarter, and greener, from handcrafting to intelligent automation. This is the revolution of industry, and that's exactly what I'm going to detail in this video. Let's dive into the new technologies of Industry 4.0. Internet of Things. Let's come back to our example. ToyTech. In the past, workers manually scanned each product with a barcode scanner, time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Now, ToyTech uses Internet of Things technology. Every product has an RFID tag, which stores a unique ID and product information around the warehouse. RFID readers and IoT sensors are installed. When a tag product moves past a reader, the data is automatically sent to the cloud. To transmit this IoT data, devices are connected to the internet using technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, or LoRaWAN, depending on range, speed, and power requirements. The IoT system collects this data in real time, updating the inventory database instantly. It can track location, quantity, and even environmental conditions like temperature or humidity for sensitive items. On a dashboard, managers see a live map of every product, receive alerts for low stock, and even predict demand using AI algorithms connected to the IoT system. Recorders can be triggered automatically, and warehouse robots can be guided to pick products efficiently. Thanks to IoT, RFID, and reliable connectivity, the warehouse is fully connected, automated, and data-driven, turning raw data into actionable insights, improving accuracy, speed, and of course, efficiency. Let's move on to the second technology, AI and machine learning. Building on IoT, ToyTech uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to turn the massive amount of collected data into smart decisions. AI algorithms analyze real-time data from RFID tags, sensors, and connected devices to predict demand, optimize inventory, and detect anomalies. For example, predictive maintenance. Machines and robots report performance data, and AI predicts failures before they happen, avoiding costly downtime. Quality control. Machine learning models inspect products automatically, detecting defects faster and more accurately than humans. Smart supply chain. AI forecasts trends, optimizes delivery routes, and ensures stock levels match real demand. And finally, autonomous operations. Robots and automated guided vehicles use AI to navigate the warehouse safely and efficiently, adapting to changes dynamically. ToyTech doesn't just collect data, it learns from it, constantly improving efficiency, reducing errors, and making operations smarter and more agile. Let's move on to additive manufacturing and 3D printing. At ToyTech, additive manufacturing takes flexibility to a new level. What started as a simple method for rapid prototyping has evolved into a powerful tool for mass customization and on-demand production. Instead of stocking thousands of spare parts, the company stores digital design files in a virtual inventory. When a part is needed, it's printed directly on site, exactly where and when it's required. This approach cuts storage costs, reduces supplier dependency, and eliminates delays linked to off-site or offshore manufacturing. And now we're gonna talk about simulation and digital twins. Simulation is the use of digital models to test and analyze processes, machines, or entire systems before applying changes in the real world. A digital twin goes further. It is a virtual replica of a real machine, product, or process that updates in real time using data from IoT sensors. This virtual model mirrors the real asset's behavior, performance, and condition. It allows companies to understand how things work, detect issues earlier, optimize operations, and predict future outcomes without interrupting actual production. In ToyTech, each critical machine has its own digital twin. The twin receives real-time data from IoT sensors. When a conveyor motor starts overheating, the digital twin immediately highlights the anomaly. Engineers can simulate different scenarios to understand the cause, test possible fixes, and estimate how long the machine can run before a failure occurs. No shutdown, no guessing. Now, blockchain. Blockchain is a secure digital ledger that records transactions across a network. Once information is added, it cannot be changed or deleted, and everyone in the network sees the same data in real time. Now, let's see how blockchain helps ToyTech track its products. In a normal warehouse, updates about shipments or inventory can take hours or even days to reach everyone. If a shipment goes missing or a temperature-sensitive toy is exposed to heat, the team only finds out too late. Here's how blockchain changed that. Every toy has an RFID or NFC tag, like a digital name tag. Trucks and packages have GPS trackers and temperature sensors. All this information is sent instantly to a blockchain, a secure, shared digital ledger. Once it's on the blockchain, it cannot be changed or lost, and everyone in the supply chain sees the same data immediately. The technologies behind it makes this possible. Firstly, Hyperledger Fabric, a private blockchain used by companies like Walmart and Maersk, fast, secure, and only accessible to trusted participants. It records all products, movements, and temperature readings, so every shipment is tracked securely. The second technology is Wora, an enterprise version of Ethereum that allows private transactions and smart contracts. It can automate supply chain agreements, like confirming deliveries or payments, automatically when conditions are met. Integration tools, such as SAP Integration Suite or Oracle XM Cloud Connectors. These tools ensure that IoT sensors, trucks, and inventory data flow smoothly into the blockchain and ERP systems, keeping dashboards and alerts up to date in real time. The result: if a shipment is delayed, a toy is damaged, or stock runs low, everyone, warehouse, transport team, and store managers, receives the alerts instantly. No confusion, no delays, no missing information. And of course, there are other technologies that make Industry 4.0 revolutionary, like augmented reality and virtual reality, also cobots and 5G connectivity. All of these technologies came together to make factories like ToyTech smarter, faster, and safer, and also more efficient than ever before. In short, Industry 4.0 is not just about machines. It's about intelligence, connectivity, and real-time decision-making, transforming supply chains from reactive to predictive and from manual to fully optimized. So next time you buy a toy, remember, behind it is a whole world of smart technology working together to get it to you faster, safer, and greener than ever before. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into more supply chain 4.0 technologies, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.